In the File Manager, you can batch rename files and folders in a variety of ways to improve work efficiency. You can select multiple files or folders by dragging a mouse frame or using shortcut keys. If you are using Windows, you can hold down the Shift key to quickly select multiple consecutive files. Or, hold down the Control key and click to select files. If you are using Mac OS, hold down the Shift or Command key to select multiple files. After selecting, you can directly click Rename in the menu bar or right-click and select Rename. On the Batch Rename page, select the renaming method as required. Find and replace. You can enter keywords to batch replace the names or extensions of files. Sequence number format. You can add sequence numbers, prefixes and suffixes to file names to make them more organized. Add new content. You can batch add text or sequence numbers to the beginning or end of file names. Flexible custom naming is also supported, and you can manually edit file names one by one. After you have finished setting, click Rename to confirm and apply all changes.